Hello, it's me, your host, with, I was gonna say the most, but I've been absent. Sasha, why'd you get scared? Sasha cat behind me, I sound like I just woke up. I didn't just wake up. I've been awake. It is already 12:40 p.m. I woke up, watched The Matrix 3, and now, what up all that? You're probably wondering why I've been MIA for so long, and I'm gonna get to that. But before we get to that, we have things to do today. Let me show you. Oil change for the STI, first of all. One thing we had to do. Number two, wash the STI, because today's actually a Tuesday, and I'm off today. And you might be asking why I'm off today, but I'm going to get to this whole story after we do a couple things today. You know, titles of the video, like I like getting that at the end of the video. Keep you around a little longer, hopefully. First things first, oil change. Let's go. Kitty cat's back there. Sasha just ran out. Let's get it. Now we can see your beautiful fur pattern. In case you're wondering why my bed has no blankets, because I'm washing my pillowcases and my blankets. I already washed the sheet, so now I'm washing my blankets and my pillowcases. And here he is, kitty cat. Kitty cat! Meow. Meow. Kitty, look over here. Alright, oil change, Chicky obtained, UPS return dropped off, well actually it was an Amazon return dropped off at UPS because I had a piece of shit part that did not work for what I needed it for. And I honestly could not find a better place for my camera, so I just put it where my clock's at. If you know GDSDIs, you know where the clock's at. Oh, that's why the wheel's on here too. Zoomed in a little bit, and now it's time for the mukbang portion of the video. Before we go any further, I just want to say this. Well, I'm actually gonna mukbang this. I'm gonna take a bite real quick. My first meal of the day, and it's 2 o'clock. I just want to say this before I forget. I'm at Best Buy now, and as I was driving over here, I'm thinking about this. Even though I've been gone for, I don't know how long it's been, a month, maybe 2. I've still been getting support. I've been getting subs, comments, likes, all that good shit, So shout out to you if you're one of those people that were subbing, commenting, all that good stuff while I was gone. The support while I'm gone is much appreciated. It kind of makes me think that people want me to come back. I don't have a big audience, obviously, but still going up by like 10 subs while I've been inactive makes me think that people like my stuff if they're still subbing and liking. So maybe I should come back. So here I am. This isn't the reason why I've been gone yet. It's just a quick thank you before I run into Best Buy and get what I'm here for. Which is, so the other day, I went on Craigslist, okay? Who goes on Craigslist anymore when the Facebook marketplace is where it's at, right? I went on Craigslist. This was an accident. I accidentally clicked everything for sale on Craigslist instead of the category I wanted. But that led me to this. I found some guy in a rich neighborhood, like a very rich neighborhood, giving away a Mac Mini. Literally, it says free. Has his phone number there and everything. I text him and I'm like, hey, you still have your Mac Mini? He said, yes, I do. I'm like, cool. I'll take it. I'm like, but it is free, right? Replies back, yes, it's free. Say less. Start my car, drive 30 minutes to said rich neighborhood, and pick up a free Mac Mini. I was actually running Windows XP. He was an old timer. Him and his wife used it for Windows XP. Don't ask me why, but I was running boot camp, so I was like, cool. If it works, well, fuck it. I'll take it. I took it home, and this setup that they're running, they have the DisplayPort adapter to run it with a VGA cable. Yes, a VGA cable. Who uses VGA these days? You know, but they were older, so I was kind of laughing to myself. And he even gave me a monitor that I didn't need. I was like, I didn't ask him for the monitor. He just threw it in the box. He's like, here. I was like, well, okay. So I gave the monitor away because I didn't need it. But fun fact, I actually gave it to Nikki because Nikki needed a second monitor. So like, here, take this monitor. I don't need it. And I got a free Mac Mini. The problem is I don't have, my monitors are actually modern, and I don't have VGA cables for my setup, you know? So here I am at Best Buy, about to grab a mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. That is the plan, because the VGA to HDMI cable I got from Amazon was a piece of shit and didn't work, so on to the next. You know, one of the other things, oh, actually, before I even get into that, let me show you this. Got what I needed. Now, as I was gonna say, one of the other things I've been slacking on is a car wash. I legit have not washed the STI in like 3 months. Pretty much almost since SubiFest. I think the last time I washed it was when we came home from SubiFest and I washed all the bugs off. That changes today, and after this, we'll finally get into why I've been MIA. So here's the inside scoop. We're finally to the part of the video that everyone's here to see. Well, I don't know if anyone's here to see this, but it's the title of the video. Why I've been MIA. And as you can see, I had my headset on. Why would I have my headset on? Instead of just telling the story, sitting here in front of the camera telling it, figure I'd do something a little bit different this time around. I'm actually going to, sorry, I can't talk, I just got off work. I'm going to be playing Jedi Fallen Order in the background while I tell the story. Yes, I played this game before. It's a very fun game. I'm playing it again because it was free on Amazon Prime Gaming. If you have Twitch Prime and Prime Gaming and Amazon Prime and all that good stuff, it is free. They'll give you a free code, and I'm playing through this again on PC. And we're going to have some gameplay in the background while we tell the story. Yeah, I'm speaking into this mic because this is the mic I'm using right now. I'm recording this on my streaming setup. So let's just get right into this. Let me tell y'all something funny. I just recorded this whole last segment, okay, of me talking over this gameplay. And I forgot to unmute my desktop audio. So let's do this again. I'm going to make this one shorter and sweeter. Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order gameplay. Now let me tell you why I've been gone. As y'all know, should know, I work a job, full-time job. Obviously, I don't get paid by YouTube. I'm not even partnered because I don't even have 1,000 subs, which we could get to. I know we can get there. So I'm not even at 1,000 subs, right? And I work a full-time job in order to support myself and my children, aka my fur babies, my kitty cats, and my car parts and all that good stuff, you know. So I work a full-time job. I was at said job for a lot longer than I planned on being, you know. And I'm not gonna lie, I got tired of a lot of the people because I just got my ass kicked. Just because they weren't the brightest they just weren't the brightest people. I try to be a dick on YouTube, but they just weren't the brightest, okay? I had to deal with that every single day. It got really tiring really quick. So I decided, hey, I'm gonna go do something different, you know? I was there for a while, and before I left, I did have something lined up. That's something you should always do if you ever plan on, oh my god, getting another job, is have something else lined up. I couldn't even hit her. So yeah, I had something else already lined up. I put in my notice. I was like, hey, thank you for the opportunity. You're welcome for all my sweaty hours I put in, but I'm out. Found something else that I really enjoy. My schedule changed a lot. So normally I'd work Monday through Friday, right? Typical Monday through Friday. Saturday, Sundays off. Occasionally had to work weekends randomly sometimes, but that wasn't very often. So it worked out pretty well. But since I came to this new job, I have a new schedule. My new schedule is I only work Wednesday through Saturday. Oh Jesus. Wednesday through Saturday, and I'm off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which is pretty nice, except for the fact that all the boys, you know, the people we hang out with, their schedules were Monday through Friday as well, usually. So our days off are pretty different now, which isn't a bad thing. It's just like, oh Jesus, it's just, oh shit, it's just that, you know, our schedules are a little different now. So it's hard for me to like record with them and stuff, and
it's gotten better, you know, like we finally figured my schedule out pretty well. It's set Wednesday through, oh Jesus, Saturday. So now I've been, oh, fuck you, Night Sister.
We're not done.
So I've been, you know, hanging out with people, doing stuff. And we're slowly but surely, oh shit, getting back to the groove of things. Even though I've been gone, I've actually been recording stuff. I just never uploaded it. I don't know why, but I just never uploaded it. I have recordings from Thanksgiving, from like Christmas time I never used. And I honestly don't know why. I just never did it. Oh, Jesus. That would have hurt. Ah! And I don't know. I've just been away. I want to say I'm back because I think I am. And, well, I'm pretty sure I am. Not even I think I am. I am back, alright? I'm back, baby! And I'm back to making videos. Oh, shit. Get away, Calcastus. Sorry, I'm a little not focused. I'm getting my ass kicked. In case you're wondering why I'm getting my ass kicked so hard, this is Jedi Grandmaster, the hardest difficulty. Because I played this game before, and I'm playing it again because it's a very fun game! And I like Star Wars. I'll beat her next time. She said even easier than stuff. Fuck her. And, I don't know why. I have so many clips that I might reuse in the future. So if it's gonna be a flashback like Thanksgiving or something, I'll mention it. Like, hey, this is a Thanksgiving flashback. Or I'll mention it sometime before the video starts or whatever. But either way, I got everything sorted out now. I'm good. I've been okay. The STI's okay. The R1's still alive. I have to change the oil on the R1 and the STI yesterday, which will probably come up in this video. Surprise, surprise. I didn't record the oil change on the R1, but I just know I did it, I promise. Oh, this 3 hits and I die. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna finish this girl off. That is why I've been gone. Now I am back. I gotta beat this, because once I get started on something, I'm very stubborn. When I get started on something like this, I have to keep playing until I beat it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna focus up. I'm gonna stomp this hood rat, and I'm gonna get to editing this video after I stomp her. And you will see this. What's tomorrow? Friday? Friday morning. This will be up. Hope you are happy to see me again. Thank you for everyone who is commenting and subbing and liking and all that good stuff while I was away. I'm here, baby. We back. We're over 400 subs already, and I'm hyped for that shit. Mods coming soon. More mods coming soon. More things to show you guys. Show you guys. I can't speak, and I'm sorry. It's got off work like an hour ago or two, but more things to show you guys. You'll see. Someone got a new wrap color. I don't even know if it's in this video or not. I don't think it is, but someone got a new wrap color. People got new mods. We got plenty of things to show, and you will see it all soon. So stick around and keep dropping those subs and likes. I appreciate every single one of them, and ignore my headset hitting my microphone. Yeah, this is my headset I play with. Catch y'all later, though. It's time for me to go stomp this hood rat and edit. Good night and goodbye. See you soon. I promise.